Good evening.
A very warm welcome to all the invited dignitaries of the day.
The raindrops of creativity fall like blessings from the heaven.
The clear blue sky above and the cool fragrance of celebration make this arena pleasant.
The sun left behind his yellowish footprint back.
The birds perched upon the trees, peeping through the twigs.
The moon on his chariot athwart the sun, and the flashing stars in the scented breeze babble on the pebbles.
We extend a hearty welcome to all of you to our annual day celebration, Magnus DS 2024.
Radiating excellence,
illuminating success,
Shining bright, shining bold.
a celebration of excellence.
Once again, we welcome you all to the Magnus DS 2024.
An evening of enjoyment
entertainment,
and unforgettable memories.
Let the vibrant rhythms of our Kokni heritage take center stage. Please welcome our talented performers as they present the traditional Divli dance, a true celebration of our rich cultural roots. With the festive spirit of Divli in the air, we invite you to experience the magic of our Kokni culture. Our talented artists are all set to dazzle you with their energetic and traditional Divli dance performance.
दिवली माथ्यावरती ठेल्या दिवली माथ्यावरती ठेल्या दिवली माथ्यावरती ठेल्या दिवली माथ्यावरती ठेल्या सातेरी मायरणीच्या रूपानं गर्भकुडीत अवतरल्या सातेरी मायरणीच्या रूपानं गर्भकुडीत अवतरल्या कैलन मन सातेरी पायाकड कैलन मन सातेरी पायाकड काळजान आई प्रगटल्या सातेरी मायरणीच्या रूपानं गर्भकुडीत अवतरल्या सातेरी मायरणीच्या रूपानं गर्भकुडीत अवतरल्या सासाय तुझी सोनी निरंतर दिवली माझ्यावरती ठेवल्या सासाय तुझी सोनी निरंतर दिवली माझ्यावरती ठेवल्या पाच बोसार चालूने सोनी देवीन कोयचो सैमान टैल्या पाच बोसार चालूने सोनी देवीन कोयचो सैमान टैल्या राखण तुझी